because I do not want you to repeat the same mistakes that you did in 2025. Hey, let's talk for a minute. So everybody is talking how to become the it girl in 2026, but nobody is telling you how. Being the it girl in 2026 isn't about clothes, the makeup, or whatever you put outside. It's all about how safe you feel within yourself. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Afnan, and in this video I'm going to talk about how to become the it girl in 2026. It girl does not try to stand out. She blends within and she has peace within herself. Mindset is everything. The next thing that we are going to talk about is the it girl mindset. I've heard this from our childhood. If we want to achieve something, we need to have a certain type of mindset, right? The it girl mindset doesn't chase attention.
Yes, that's true.
She's so aligned with herself that attention follows. In 26, the glow is internal. You do not copy routines. You have to build your own standard. My routine can be different. Your can be different. We cannot copy each other's routine. Moving on to the next, what I want you to understand is we have to stop procrastinating things. Yes, that's right. The it girl mindset cannot be achieved with the same old habits, right? We need to build a new one. So if you promise yourself that you're gonna do something, please do it. Do not betray yourself. The first and the foremost rule is if you betray yourself, how can you expect the outer world to respect you, right? You have to be responsible for yourself, your goals, both internal and external. And the most important tip that I want you to take from this video is do not be a crybaby. Do not cry for every smallest inconvenience. I know it's very difficult to hold your emotions, but you have to understand that you cannot waste your emotions on some filthy person or the filthy things, right? So the it girls are loud about their habits. They have quite discipline. There's nothing fancy. They just show up every day. No matter what happens, they will show up for themselves on their goals that they have put. So once you start waking up on a certain time and sleeping on a certain time, your body aligns and your energy aligns at that particular time, and you will have a better start to your day. This might sound very minute, but this will change your life. The next thing that I want to talk about is moving your body, taking care of your body. I know a lot of girls just ignore their body and we just continue to take care of our face. We just want to do skincare on our face and nothing on our body. But trust me, neglecting your body is doing you more harm than good. Yes, cleaning your body is the most important part. Keep your body hydrated, clean, and move your body at least 3 times a week. Style your hair according to your face. I mean, you never know how hair can change your face, and taking care of hair, that dull, dry hair looks very off. You need to take care of yourself internally and externally, both for your glow up in 2026. Do not repeat the same old mistake. Please moisturize your body, girls. Please, it is very important. Most of you skip moisturizing your body, but after this video, you're not going to do this, right? And I'm telling you, do not do it for the aesthetic. Do it for yourself. Next thing that I want to tell you is start curating your life intentionally. Do not do anything mindlessly. From what you are consuming to what people you are interacting to, whatever things you are giving space in your life, everything has to be intentional. You cannot waste your energy on everything. You cannot waste your energy on something that does not serve you anymore. So becoming the it girl in 2026 means having a clear boundary, never over explaining yourself, not becoming available to every random person or every other person who does not respect your time. Yes, the kind of people you surround yourself with can either drain your energy or multiply your energy. And it is commonly said that you become the average of the 4 person that around you. So realize what is the outcome of your friend group, because at some point of our life we have to analyze our friend groups and we have to do certain things for ourselves. If you want to be like someone, please start looking at their lifestyle and their daily habits, and until unless you're not going to do what it takes you to achieve that goal, you're not going to achieve it. Just by saying it you will achieve it, you're not going to achieve it. Moving on, I want you to work on a skill that literally pays you. Do not trade your hobbies, your circle, or any other thing that is important in your life for a relationship. Do not shut down the doors once you come in a relationship. Please try to fill your void. Feel peace within yourself. Accept yourself, and you are solely responsible for your happiness. If you're not happy, a relationship can never make you happy. That's bullshit. That's bullshit that we have been told the entire life. We have to fill our voids. We cannot expect other person to just make us happy. The sole purpose of a relationship is to share your happiness. It's never about completing each other. It's just happy people or two sad people, whatever you are. And being an it girl isn't just for aesthetics. Soft laziness is very important, and we know that girls need more rest than any other person. So that's it for this video. If you resonated with any of the points, please write down in the comments. If you like it, please give it a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.